Aquarius, hi, welcome to your March reading. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and any strong placement in your birth chart for the sign of Aquarius. Crosswatchers, you are welcome here if you are interested in an Aquarius. Please try to remember energies can be interchangeable, meaning vice versa, so use your discretion to put those energies where they best resonate for you and your situation. All readings for Aquarius will not match with every single Aquarius, so check your other placements to see what messages might be there for you. Leave what resonates. No, wrong. Take what resonates and leave the rest for somebody else. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a high vibrational comment. I love to hear from you. We are going to do your March 2024 reading. You know how we do. We're going to see what energies are kind of going around you, pull some tarot, and close it off like we always do. So without further ado, let's get right into this, Aquarius, and see what March is looking like for you. This is for Aquarius. March 2024, please, Spirit. What is going on for Aquarius? You have passion coming out right off jump. What else for Aquarius, please? All right. Bottom of the deck is psychic abilities. Excuse me. Some of you might be honing into your abilities, your gifts, okay? But like I said, passion is coming in for you. Reconciliation, commitment, and finding. Okay, so by the looks of this and the feeling of it, with the passion and all that, there is someone that you're extremely passionate about. And there is going to be a reconciliation here. And this could be representing family, friends, anything, but I am feeling very deeply with commitment being there, that this has to do with a deeper connection for you. And with the finding here, you're finding something that has kind of been missing. And it's almost like he's going to smack you in the face like, oh, was it that simple? But there is something that you're about to become quite passionate about something here. Let's see. Let's get some tarot on this and see what's going on for you, Aquarius. This is for Aquarius. March 2024. What is going on with my Aquarian babies? All right, Aquarius. Here we go. Yeah, the Empress. Okay. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Here you are, Aquarius, coming out in your own reading, the Star. And again, there's that reconciliation. Ooh, this one came out first. One more, please. Thank you. And the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Devil for the overall energy. So there is probably some toxic behaviors going on here, some addictions going on that really need to be addressed. In Judgment, letting things go, purging and releasing what no longer serves you here, freeing up some space. But this Aquarius' Devil energy comes up for you quite a bit, Capricorn energy. So there's a lot of things that are still kind of coming to the surface here with this toxic addictive behavior here, obsessions and stuff like that. Um, might be time to fix it. Okay, so you have the Empress, the Nine of Cups in reverse, the Star, the Ace of Swords, the High Priestess, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, so right now looking at this, this is the Empress is another energy coming in here. Okay, this is how you view a situation, a person. Okay, and you view them as everything. They have everything that you need. Man or woman, it doesn't matter. There is no gender specifics in tarot. But you view this person as everything that you want, everything that you need. They're not lacking. They're beautiful, handsome, whatever. Okay. And they did come in as a wish fulfilled here. They did, most certainly. Just not in the way you expected. So it's kind of wanting something versus needing something. Sometimes you don't get what you want, you get what you need. In the fact of you have the devil at the bottom of the deck. Maybe the person that came in is a person that can pull you out of whatever it is that is, hampering your movement forward here. But it's still a wish fulfilled. It just didn't come in the shape, form, how you expected. Okay? You are hopeful here. And there is healing going on here. And the star represents reconciliation of connections, okay? All of them. Relationship, family, friends, it doesn't matter. Relationships. The reconciliation is coming in here. But there's also deep healing and there is still hope, Aquarius, okay? You haven't lost hope. Ace of Swords, there is clarity coming in. There is open communication coming in. And again, the Ace of Swords represents that reconciliation as well, or not. If someone is coming to you trying to reconcile something, you don't have to take it. You can cut that down. You don't have to take it. After you listen to what they say and it doesn't mesh, you keep it pushing. The High Priestess, okay? Your intuition is kicking in, but the question you need to ask yourself, are you really listening? Okay? Some of you, I don't think that you are. We will get clarified on that. And there's also things that are being unveiled, revealed to you with your intuition here and with you listening intently on it. The Ten of Swords is coming in here, so there is a painful ending here, you're dealing with it currently, right? And with the Ten of Swords is something that ends that probably shouldn't be revisited again, because the Ten of Swords is an end-all be-all type situation, meaning it's just not for you and it needs to not be this way. All right, Aquarius. Let's get clarity on the Nine of Cups in reverse, please. Oh, okay. So, yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse is clarified by the Nine of Wands, the wounded warrior here. Aquarius, you're having a hard time, okay? You're having a hard time because there was lack of communication and lack of clarity for you in the recent past, in the recent months. And you've kind of been struggling here and you're having a hard time, but it's making you feel wounded in a very deep way. You have the Hermit coming in here. You need to continue on this path of healing and self-reflection, and taking that time to get to know who you are, finding who you are again, Aquarius. Okay? Getting that self-reflection up and popping. All right, let's get clarity on the star, please. Thank you. There's the High Priestess again. Again, using that intuition, using your inner knowing. There's been conversations here. Things have been discussed, so you know what it is, right? And now you just got to kind of figure out how you're going to deal with it, what you're going to do. But this month is a time for you to do that self-reflection and to become one with yourself, your higher self, to really juice up your intuition here so that you're listening to these messages that are coming through for you. Okay, clarify the Ace of Swords. It's almost like your intuition is knocking at your door and you're really kind of trying not to listen to it for whatever reason. Okay, the King of Wands. Okay, so this clarity is going to reinstate that passion. It's going to get you moving. You are now putting actions to your words here, Aquarius. You're starting to maybe slowly but surely starting to pick yourself up and crawl yourself out of whatever darkness you've been in with that Devil card. And you're doing it. You're starting to move. Yeah. Rest and recovery with this Four of Swords. Recharging your batteries. Disconnecting from social medias, probably friends. Just trying to find your footing again. Okay, clarify the Ten of Swords, please. The King of Pentacles and the Death card in reverse. Okay. Aquarius, you've kind of felt with this King of Pentacles energy coming in here, you've kind of felt like you've kind of been walking this path alone. Just kind of maintaining a little bit of independence here. But that change and that transformation is not happening. You might be telling yourself that it's happening, but it's not. Give me one more on this, please. One more of the Ten of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Death. But the star comes up again, so you're still hopeful. It's almost like you're not trying to make these movements, these changes, and you're just kind of expecting it to just be. All these things and all this grandeur is going to come into you without you making movement, without you doing something. You think that it's just going to come to you. But nothing is going to come to you unless you really strive for that change within you, finding you. Because there's commitments that you want, there's reconciliations that you want, but you can't do any of that until you find who you are, your authentic self. And you're defensive about it here. Look, the devil's there again. Aquarius, come on. You're standing in defense of your toxic behaviors, your addictions, okay? And it's time to, yes, it causes you anxiety, but it is it is causing a whole mess of stuff. But staying and defending what it is that you're doing wrong, or the toxic behaviors that you bring to situations, you're defending it. You need to ask yourself why. So if you're still going on in that kind of thing, of course you're going to feel like there's lots of reconciliations that need to be made, because you're not really doing what you should be doing to make things right. Okay. All right. We are going to see kind of what you are focusing on this month, Aquarius. Aquarius, March 2024, please. Oh, right out the gate. You got the Lion, strength and success. Okay? That could be keywords for many of you. The Lion, there could be a Leo that is really deeply rooted within your life. You could be focusing on strength and building up your internal core, if you will, and success. Okay, so that's pretty kind of what you got focused on. All right, let's see what the fairies have to say to close this out for you. All right. For Aquarius, too many. Come on now. Clear messages, Spirit, for Aquarius, March 2024. Aquarius. Okay, well, you got two. Okay, light. The Fairy Queen of Light comes to shed love and light onto your current situation and to remind you that the light can penetrate the darkness. Yes, Aquarius, okay? And then you got new beginnings. The fairy godmother hurdles the joyous news of a new baby or a birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nourish your ideas as you would a baby. Don't mistake the baby thing, guys, because it could be, anything that needs nurturing. Okay. All right, Aquarius, that is what I have for you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.